when I'm out here bored as heck. Haven't played with the mud bogger in a while. It's a little Squarebody. Yeah, I done crashed it. I've been mud bogging through the construction site. Now I'm doing construction Squarebody. Big block. Squarebody. No, I'm just kidding. But it's a big block Squarebody. I ain't on no construction. I ain't anyway. I'm disabled. Look at that flex. Yeah, dang boy. I turned her down and look at him. Pow, flex. Ooh, nice. Heck yeah. You be out here ripping through the mud hole. I don't know about that. That's a little bit too tall. This might roll over. I don't know. I might crawl up there. I'll have to catch it at an angle. And it's gonna go. Oh, he's gonna crash. I'll get him coming in hot. Somebody just run shit over. Squarebody be getting it. Man, he don't run some shit over. Oh, that's too tall. Let's run next to it. Uh-oh. Don't crash it, dummy. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, you jumping. Ah, damn, I'm going too fast, trying to spin him over. Ah, dang it. Of course, I gotta hop over. Really flip the dang thing over like a goofball. So I got shit, I got to step over, not fall, get myself in trouble. Yeah. I got fucker on a big clip. See if it'll go. Ha! Aim in there, camera. Doing pretty good there. Oh, Samsung. I freaking love this thing. It just goes so easy. Push the block over. Oh shit. Flex. There's already something over there growling at me. That might have been alligators in the pond over there. Can't be having the alligators getting me. I have to distract them with the RC car. They're going right through the mud. A little more mud on the tire, why not? I just went right through it. Slow and easy. Nothing can stop the Squarebody. Thing just be going. It just goes and goes. Let's see if I go up that little hill. Not like my phone's pretty flat. They just creep right up it. I had to see if it'd go up that rock. Yeah, I had to go dodge it. Ha! Hell yeah. I love this freaking thing. Ooh, there's a nice little steep hill over there. Oh, we gotta try that one out. Wish I had sound kit. Need to get me a sound kit. Ooh. Let's see if we can start right here. See if this sucker go down it even. Might crash. I might have to punch it. Okay, here we go. Oh, it made it right down like it wasn't nothing. I'll start over here this little trench one first. Ooh, that's flex. Dang. See if we'll go up that one first. Oh, you little turkey. Oh, he crashes down the hill. You damn truck. Let me try to make it up the hill. If I ain't go up this like it ain't nothing. I say just go right up this mug. Roll it down the hill. Alright, just ramp the hill, you said. Saved him. That was a hard one. It's too tall. Couldn't get it. I had to go fast. Look at him pushing through the dirt. Heck yeah. Oh, he had his back bumper caught. Well, hit right through the mud holes. Oh, let's see if I can not crash it from here. Yeah. Right into the mud hole. Yeah, that was a good one. That sucker splashed. Oh yeah. I know, it's good. Look at him dripping. He's just a dripping water off his truck. That's a good spot right there. I'll hit this sucker wide open. Oh yeah, oh, good one. See if we'll go through it slow. I better go right through it. Slow too. That's a big square body coming in, going deep. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Okay, just gets it. It just be going. Wherever it wants to go, it'll go. Heck yeah, dude, that was a good shot right there. That thing is freaking awesome. That's a good shot. I gotta get that in a slow-mo. Alright, y'all. This thing's pretty freaking hot. I'm pretty hot. 6:30. It's about splash of this shit time. Splash to it. Like I'm flying through the mud. On the way to the house. Oh, and he crashes right into the concrete. And he dug his front tire down so he could flip back over. Heck yeah. Man, I love this thing. Alrighty. Until next time, y'all. Joe's RC Adventures out. Peace.